India. India is one of the third largest developing nation in the world. And Bapu, the father of our nation, imagined to create an India like this. He did everything he could to put this nation on the track of development, happiness, and growth. And we have successfully managed to create a world like this actually. This is the one side of India. But there is another side of India. A side which comprises of daily wage workers, hawkers, rickshawalas, slum dwellers, etc. India is highly dependent on these poor yet strong workers. Everybody in the world knows what India is dealing with right now. Yes, India is hit by the second wave of COVID-19. We are actually losing our people on daily basis. Someone lost their father, someone lost their mother, sister, brother, friends, and we feel so helpless and unfortunate due to this situation. COVID 19 has impacted the other section of India in so many different ways. Our daily wage workers do not have enough jobs and earnings to feed themselves on daily basis. These people are sleeping without having any food these days. They are not able to satisfy their hunger. They are not able to have a very basic meal. This section of our country is in pain, deep pain. And the wounds of starvation were as such that it went out of the boundaries of India. And the HR community, in fact, the total rewards team of a US based healthcare giant, kept their humanity alive because they believed that being human is given, but keeping our humanity is a choice. And they came in front and they contributed to feed more than 450 people. And this food drive went for 3 days. And they ensured that the food is properly nutritious and it contains all the nutrients that are really required right now. And that's why they specially hired Chef Paras Kapoor for this food drive. And I, CS Sagar Kapoor, feel so touched by the act of kindness of this US based healthcare giant. And I really want to acknowledge them by taking their name. Suen Skilrud, Sue Karar, Beth Baker, Cindy Shea, Marnie Fox, Tony Ebert, and from Team India, it's Savan Sharma. India, with folded hands, wants to thank you for coming forward and extend your hand to feed people of India. This act of kindness means a lot for India. We really want to acknowledge your efforts. We really want to thank you. Thank you.